And now, to enter the gymnasium are the candidates for graduation from STEM 12 Conrad, together with their proud parents and their advisor, Mr. Joshua John A. Espiritu.
entering the gymnasium are the candidates for graduation from STEM 12 together with their loving parents and their proud advisor, Mr. Daniel P. Yarte.
And now to enter the gymnasium are the candidates for graduation from STEM 12 Shepherd, together with their loving parents and their advisor, Mrs. Divine Claire San Diego.
gathering now are the candidates for graduation from STEM 12 Scott, together with their loving parents and their proud advisor, Mr. Raymart T. Gonzalez.
Let us also welcome the stakeholders of education, the SPTA, headed by Mr. Jimmy Liwag.
And now, let us also welcome the diligent faculty members of 1 Arliwag Memorial High School Senior High School.
Let us also give a glad hand to the STEM Subject Group Head, Engineer John Edward C. Hernandez, together with the Subject Group Head of Arts and Design, Mrs. Hanelet Cortero.
Once again, let's give a big hand for our school administrators together with our guest of honor, Engineer Vinlaur de Sahagun Siwa. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the 7th commencement exercises of 1 Arliwag Memorial High School Senior High School with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas.
In the heart of our beloved Philippines, the spirit of our youth shines brightly. Kabataang Pilipino, the torchbearers of hope and progress, stand at the forefront of our nation's journey towards a stable and promising future. With their boundless energy, innovative mind, and unwavering dedication, they pave the way for the Bagong Pilipinas, a new Philippines that embodies resilience, unity, and prosperity. Let us honor their contributions and potential as they carry forward the dreams of our forebears and aspirations of generation to come. Together, We strive for a nation where every Filipino can thrive, a country that stands proud and free.
With that, we are beyond grateful for we were able to gather here today, conduct and celebrate the students' graduation rites. Truly, this occasion is a tribute to you graduates, and your achievements are made possible because of your hard work and determination, a crowning glory of your parents' sacrifices and dreams, and a recognition of your teachers' dedication. To officially start the program, ladies and gentlemen, the prelude to the national anthem.
A tapestry woven with the threads of history, sacrifice, and unwavering love for one's homeland. A melodic masterpiece that transcends time, capturing the very essence of our nation's spirit. Echoes of a storied past, of brave heroes who stood defiant against oppression, of struggles endured and victories won. A lyrical journey through the annals of Philippine history, and a tribute to the resilience and fortitude of our people. This is the beacon of our unity, symbol of our republic, and this hymn is the soul of our country.
Let us show our deference by standing still as we proudly sing the Philippine National Anthem, to be conducted by Mrs. Hanelet G. Cortero.
And in reverence to the Almighty God, let us come before Him and invoke His presence with a prayer. To be led by the student with highest honor, Ms. Noreen Lian P. Valenzuela.
Let us all bow our heads and place ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Heavenly Father, we thank you for today. We thank you for the opportunities that you have bestowed upon us, that we now stand before you and are able to celebrate.
They say that learning is not only done in the four walls of a classroom. For most of what we have learned has come from a broad range of people, allowing us to extend our viewpoints and ultimately apply them to real-world situations. Today marks a significant milestone in the lives of our students. It is time to reflect on the countless hours of studying, the challenges overcome, and the friendships forged along the way. But more importantly, this is a time to celebrate a remarkable achievement of these young individuals who have demonstrated not only academic excellence, but also character, resilience, and commitment of making a positive impact on our community. And now, it is about time to formally render us her opening remarks that will surely inspire everybody. From the student with highest honors from STEM 12 Armstrong, may we call on Eriza K. Angel A. Agawin. Let's give her a round of applause.
To our school's division superintendent, Madam Teresa Manala, our honorable guest speaker, Engineer Victor Siwa, our beloved my last academic-related task as a senior high school student. And this also means separating paths with our classmates, friends, loved ones, to chase our dreams and figure out the bigger world on our own, as we venture into adulting phase, as we call it. With this in mind, take a moment to look around you and acknowledge the people present here today. Remember their faces as you recount the memories you made with them, because this may be the last time you see each other gathered here together. It is not surprising to say that most, if not all, went to school without an ounce of dream. Times when we can't see the basics in basic calculus. Kabahan ng sobra kapag hawak ni Sir Josh ang mahiwagang index card for the nerve-wracking recitation. Marinig ang boses ni Ma'am Cherry kahit nasa STEM park ka na. Dahil maganda. At umasang masagap ang bonus question ni Ma'am Joanne. Every quiz para sa additional points. One core memory of mine is when our team went to Peñaranda Cemetery para lang mangolekta ng Fidelity Award para sa research capstone namin. And when the 10th season came, mapapaluha ka na lang talaga just for the printing phase alone. From cheer dance, filmmaking, defense, and the anxiety while waiting for college entrance exam results. Looking back, how did we survive all of this? Navigating the challenge of daily school life goes beyond just academics. It's also about facing unsafe battles that only you know, whether personal, academic, or both. May mga araw na hirap talaga tayo bumangon sa umaga at makalimutan ang result with our classmates allowed us to create a bond that transcends mere connection. A reminder that we are not alone in our struggle. The past 2 years truly challenged us physically, mentally, and emotionally, making us question the purpose of our hard work. And maybe we get to the point that even a simple question of, para saan ka bumabangon? Seem hard to answer because we're lost and confused kung saan dapat mo ang lahat. O kung may patutunguhan ba talaga. From numerous questions on, kaya ko ba? To, kakayanin. Kasi wala naman tayong choice. And let me remind you that everything you felt up to this point is valid. Look at yourselves now, wearing a toga. This special event is a fruit of our blood, sweat, and yes, a lot of tears. I know the resilience that you've demonstrated in overcoming challenges are enough proof to show that our students will deserve recognition for such accomplishments. And even in your lowest point, you survived and still conquered this world. As a STEM student, one of the great takeaways I learned from this journey is to take risks even when you're scared. My journey as a photojournalist, which is not even on my paper card initially, contributed a lot to this takeaway. At first, I was hesitant to join the LSPC this school year because I was not confident enough in my skills. However, with encouragement for my friends and family, I took the opportunity. This eventually led me to a chance to compete on a regional level, and gratefully, I ranked in sixth place. It was one of the best decisions I made. Stepping out of my comfort zone from being a shy person whose social battery is easily drained to wandering around the vicinity to interview people without hesitation, kahit sa kaibigan pa ng araw, becomes a catalyst for my personal growth. Yes, it's quite hard, but at the same time, it's satisfying because I get a glimpse of people's life stories. And along the way, I found a sort of place surrounded by good company. A supportive coach and my fellow photojournalists who share the same goals as well. So keep this in mind. Even if the thought of messing up makes you afraid, do it anyway. Because we cannot be the person we want to become if we don't make mistakes and learn from them. These mistakes prove that we tried and eventually will improve and succeed. If you're scared to take an unfamiliar path, then do it scared. Because apparently, we all experience fear of the uncertainties, but allowing it to torment us will hinder us from achieving our goals. Don't let it hold you back from opportunities and potential experiences. This may not guarantee you a straight path to success, but it will surely open more doors of opportunities. All of this would not be possible if not for each one of you who has made such valuable contributions in shaping us into who and what we are now. To our teachers, thank you for your guidance and diligence in teaching. We will surely carry the lessons we have taught inside and outside the classroom to heart. To my family, thank you for your unwavering support and for giving me a reason to get up each day, even if I don't feel like it. To my friends, thank you for the affirming words and for making my high school life extra special. To my younger self, I hope you are proud of who and what I have become today. Of the accomplishments, not only academically, but of how I've grown as a person that you can be proud of. To my fellow graduating students, I know you're all just as excited about the future as I am. Hence, I would like to conclude my speech with a quote from a UP professor. If it is worth dreaming of, then it is worth fighting for. worth fighting for than it is worth suffering. This helped me stay grounded during my high school years, and hopefully can help you as well as you pave your path towards your dream and venture on a new journey in college. It is for the times when you feel scared to take a step forward or take the opportunity in front of you. It is for the times when you doubt your capability to do things because you fear making mistakes. And of course, it is to remind you that whatever your dream is, no matter how big or small, tedious or seeming out of reach, it is definitely worth a shot. To everyone who has taken the time to attend this remarkable event and witness our success with flying colors, I extend my deepest gratitude. All the things we've endured and the efforts we've made have all been worth it as we stand here today, stronger and wiser. Feel every moment, for you deserve such recognition. We may have reached the end of one destination, but it is also the beginning of a new one. Whatever path you choose, do not be afraid to walk on a different path, even if it goes against the expectation of others. Trust in your abilities, and don't let others dictate your future. I know that with the values and knowledge instilled in us by our educational institution, there is no limit to what we can accomplish. I look forward to seeing you achieve in life and take the path that truly makes you happy. I am proud of all of you. Congratulations.
Gawin for that encouraging remarks. Indeed, if it is worth dreaming for, or if it is worth dreaming of, then it is worth fighting for. And when it is worth fighting for, then it is worth suffering for. And now, the main highlight of today's affair is about to unfold in our midst. To do the honors of presenting this year's senior high school graduates who have met the academic institutional requirements, may we have on stage our Assistant Principal, Dr. Jeffrey Santaines.
Wanarniwag Memorial High School, Senior High School, STEM strength, composed of 139 males and 191 females, for a total of 330 graduating students. I hereby certify they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education. May I therefore request you to confirm their graduation.
By the authority given to me as representative of the Department of Education, after having been presented and certified by the OIC Assistant School Principal to your completion of the requirements of the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum, I now confirm your graduation for Senior High School School Year 2023-2024. Congratulations!
Thank you so much, Madam Moini Villegas and Dr. Jeffrey Santaines. Once again, a round of applause to our STEM Batch 2024.
Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests. Distribution of diplomas and awarding of medals. This is the culmination of years of dedication, perseverance, and hard work. For our graduates, this moment represents the pinnacle of their academic journey, the realization of dreams, and the beginning of new adventures.
So to do the honors of the distribution of diplomas to our graduates, may we have once again on stage our school principal, Madam Noemi Villegas, together with our OIC Assistant Principal, Dr. Jeffrey M. Santianes, and together with our guest of honor for this afternoon, Engineer Vinlaur de Sahagun Siwa. And to all of our class advisors, please do the honors of calling the names of your graduate students.
First, we would like to call on the advisor of STEM 12 Armstrong, Mrs. Marilu Policarpi.
Ladies and gentlemen, with pride and honor, I would like to present to you the graduates of Grade 12 Armstrong. To begin with, Bagay-Bagayan Van Lawrence B. with highest honors. Bulanadi Carl James B. with highest honors. Calderon Antonio Jr. R. with highest honors. Crisostomo May I call again Mr. Bagay-Bagayan Van Lawrence B, followed by Bulanadi Carl James B. Next we have Calderon Antonio Jr. R. with highest honors. Then we have Crisostomo Alex Jr. J. Crisostomo Alex Jr. J. with high honors. May I call on De La Cruz, De La Cruz Giancarlo P. with highest honors.
Ms. Zerna Blooms will also receive Leadership Award and also Best in Research.
Next, we have Caribe Paul Arcel B with high honors. Then we have Hernandez John Andre E with high honors. Next, we have Quezon Sean Andre L with high honors. Please clap your hands. Next, we have Jose Marty B with highest honors.
He will also receive Best in Research.
May I call on Malaca Gerard Vincent B with highest honors.
Mr. Malaca will also receive the award for Best in Research. And we will also be awarding as the Best Presenter for Research. Once again, a round of applause for Mr. Gerard Malaca.
Mercado Zyron Jeff B with high honors.
also receive the award Best in Arts and Leadership Award.
Peralta Russell Enzo R. with highest honors.
Mr. Peralta will be receiving Leadership Award, Best in Mathematics, and Best in Innovation. Once again, Mr. Peralta, Russell Enzo R.
Clap your hands for Samson Leonard Michepi with high honors. A big round of applause to Siwa John Maverick I with highest honors.
Mr. Siwa will be receiving Leadership
Award, Best in Science, Best in Innovation, and also be awarding Award for Innovation as the Best Presenter. Once again, a round of applause for Jan Maverick Siwa.
Mr. Quino will also be awarded with Leadership Award.